then the solution that we make the last semester. He is a CEO, so he's a chief executive officer. He is the responsible responsible to manage a company, that company in that case. So he managed some resources to develop a company, to invest or to use in some products in the company. But what is happening? In some case, some company doesn't have enough profits, and some doesn't make lots of money, and sometimes in the catastrophic case, the company disappears. But why? The problem is why it's happening that. We know that there are a lot of reasons for that, but our project was focusing in those kinds of problems. So I have worked in some companies, in some time, every time, and I have seen that problem. First, that some people went to drink a cup of coffee or tea or tinto, and he spent a lot of time drinking it, and not only drinking. He went to talk with his co-workers or friends, and he wastes of time, a lot of time. Other kind of reason is that some people, some employers, went to work to sleep, and nowadays the people use the internet through Facebook, social networking like Facebook, Twitter, or Messenger, and he wastes time, and that's the big problem. That's the big problem for the companies. The employers don't have a continuous working on these tasks, and they spend a lot of time to do one task. So we analyze that situation from the Colombian context because, well, I have worked in some companies, and my other friends say me something like similar that we have in my experience. Is that some people say that the Colombians have this law, the law of the least less effort. So in some we make some investigate in some books about human theories, and he says about the lack of discipline. These are related to the Colombian. Some Colombian workers don't have discipline. So there are the big problem for the great ideas that we have here in Colombia. The great ideas doesn't develop because are not disciplined. And what is our solution that we proposed and did the last semester? Enterprise level up. So what is that? Here is our web interface. And here is an example. We use theoretic games. It is called gamification. That you take some things from the games and introduce to the companies. For example, we use experience bar, the level, and avatar. Why we use theoretic games? Games theory, because nowadays the laboral market, the new people that are interested in them to it, are the people have a lot of relation with the video games. Some of them are playing for years or have some relation to games, internet games, and it's really good for have a competition. The video games make you more competitive in this case. So we make that prototype, and we make a mission that you can update. It's a percentage of your tax, and here we investigate, we make research about how motivated to work. So first, the people needs to have goals, final goals, and when the people see the goals,